Guys, she took her time. She took her time to compose this oath. She did. It's very hard to copy it from the internet. I asked her to do something, and she is very, very reluctant to do it. But when she does it, we all need to follow her. Is that clear, Caballeros? Okay, we follow her. Can I ask our media partners to take photos from the back here, except for maybe somebody who could take it from the side. Here you go. Sundan nyo, ah.
Kindly raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, kindly state your name, a participant of the inaugural FEFA Palami Caballeros Fair Play Futsal Tournament,
A participant of the inaugural FEFA Palami Caballeros Fair Play Futsal Tournament.
do hereby swear and agree to respect, abide and uphold the rules and regulations which has been set forth by the organizers of this tournament. As a competitor of this game, I promise and agree to play the game with highest forms and standards of discipline. No matter if I win or lose, what counts most is how I conduct myself, play the game, in true spirit of sportsmanship, friendship, camaraderie, and enjoyment with my fellow colleagues. And lastly, as a member of the Caballeros, I promise to always support and promote football here in our country and wherever we go. I promise to always support and promote football here in our country and wherever we go. Football para sa Pilipinas! We believe! So help me God.
Doreen, thank you very much. Mga kahuleros, kabadong-kabado siya sa pagsisigaw. Sabi ko, hindi ka pwedeng kahulero kung hindi ka marunong sumigaw. Bisaya ka pa man din. So thank you very much. I would now like to call on one of my best football buddies. You can even take out football out of that sentence. One of my best buddies to formally open the inaugural FEFA Palami Caballeros Fair Play Futsal Tournament. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you our anchor and color commentator for today.